One of the handful of Knowi supported APIs is the Single Sign-On or SSO API. SSO is a mechanism that allows a system to authenticate users and subsequently tell Knowi that that user has been authenticated. The user was then allowed to access Knowi without being prompted to enter separate login credentials. This is one way to share access and assets to your Knowi instance with external users or partners, which you can find more about in the embed tutorials. The SSO security mechanism allows Knowi to trust the login request it gets from your authentication system and grant access to the users that has been authenticated by it. Creating an SSO flow can be done in 3 steps. You first need an SSO customer token, which you can reach out to support@knowi.com for an SSO token. What this SSO customer token does is connect your Knowi instance to all SSO users that will be created and create a connection between their user accounts and your Knowi instance. Now, I've gone ahead and generated one for myself that I'm going to run through with this session. But once again, to request one, just send an email to support@knowi.com and one will be provided to you. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to update this parameter here with my SSO customer token, which, as you can see here, and I'm calling this endpoints with the user I want to create. Let's change this to user and call this new user new SSO user at knowi.com, the customer token, and the role for this new user. So if we grab this and jump into the terminal, if we call this, we get back a token from Knowi. Return token that we've gotten back from Knowi server means we've successfully created a new SSO user. Now the next step is to grab this token and update the next call, which would be the create user endpoints. And let's make this a little bigger so we can see what's going on here. Now grab the same command. So what's going on here is we need to update this with the user we've created. So this will be new SSO user at knowi.com. We've updated our user token. Now we can go ahead and create a new session token. So likewise, similar to what we've done so far, we've gone ahead and the first step is we created a new user. Then we received a user session token, then use that to call the SSO session create endpoints to create a new session token for that user. Now this has also returned another token that we can utilize. Let's go ahead and copy this bit and jump back into here. Now the last step is to log into the session that we've created. So it's updating this URL, the SSO login URL with the token that was just returned back. And if we grab this and open up a new browser and plunk that in here, we should be connected to Knowi through the SSO now. And to verify that we've successfully created the user, we can jump into the settings and go into the user settings. And within the email, we can see the user we've just created recently, new SSO user. Information about the Single Sign-On API. Visit the documentation which shows you more examples and as well as a handful of other additional endpoints not covered in this video for managing and updating SSO users. Now this includes viewing a list of dashboards an SSO user can see or has access to, as well as updating the content filters, roles and permissions for that particular user, and also deleting an SSO user.
For more information on how to get the best out of Knowi, please visit knowi.com/university. Thanks for watching and see you next time.